Dreams, something that keep us going in life. For some, it's just a place on map. For others, it's a feeling they have always wanted to chase. And for me, this journey was both. Today, let me take you along with me on this favorite journey of mine I have dreamt of for long, through the frozen roads and the beauty that leaves you speechless. Today, I will take you to Bumla Pass. Good morning, and today is the most awaited day of the trip क्योंकि आज हम जा रहे हैं बुमला पास. Finally, after all the doubts last night, it has finally been confirmed कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं. I'm really excited. मैं कब का ready हो गई हूँ. Actually, I've got some cold also, so not feeling very well. But this whole Bumla Pass thing has kept me alive and happy and excited. So really excited today and hoping to show you a lot more of things there क्योंकि I have heard that they don't let you take too many pictures facing the China border. So there are a few limitations जो हमको जाके पता चलेगा. अभी ब्रेकफास्ट भी कर लिए, पूरा तैयार भी है, गाड़ी आने का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. There are a lot of rules and regulations for going to the Bumla Pass which I'll tell you once I come back from there. It's not the usual car that takes you there. So बाकी सब डिटेल्स मैं वापस आके आप लोगों को दूंगी. तब तक let's start moving to Bumla Pass. With a lot of excitement in mind, we started for Bumla Pass early this morning. We got all our permits done the day before. There are multiple checkpoints on the way to Bumla Pass, where all the documents are checked again and again. This was the first one. Because Tawang is situated at high altitude, acclimatization is very, very important. I have seen people from our hotel itself suffering from breathing issues. My father carried a homeopathic medicine which actually came to the rescue. While on our way to the pass, our driver told us that in 2017 there was a test trial going on here, which killed a few of our own army officials. He witnessed it while he was on his way back to Tawang from Madhuri Lake with a set of tourists. With an increase in altitude every minute, my excitement only intensified. It's hard to describe how I kept feeling every second. The landscape kept changing, from green to barren mountains, and finally the snow-covered ones. The weather was getting colder. I really believe I have a thing with mountain passes. They keep attracting me. The road to Bumla Pass is as thrilling as the destination itself. I see streams, natural lakes, and views that feel straight out of a postcard. And yeah, all the excitement finally paid off. We were here at Bumla Pass at 15,200 feet above sea level. So finally we are at Bumla Pass. I can't describe in words. Too good. Heavenly. So far no breathing issues, nothing. दिल खुश हो जा रहा है. जो रास्ते से you come through the road, that will make you forget everything. Here it goes. Photography, videography, nothing is allowed inside. So यहीं पे छोड़ के जाना पड़ता है इस एंट्री पॉइंट पे. And वहाँ तक लेके जाता है. There, far away. Like if you can see, I'll show you. एकदम एंड तक लेके जाता है. कुछ इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे. They take you till there, and the flagship meetings between India and China are held here. इस building में. They're held 9 times a year, 5 times in India and 4 times in China. So this is a building where the flagship meeting is held in India, and the place is too beautiful for the beauty to be captured unless you come here. The temperature was somewhat around 2 degrees that day. I remember having asked an army officer about the temperature here in winter. He smiled and said, "कभी कभी तो -30 भी हो जाता है." I wondered how difficult it must be for them, yet he simply managed to smile. A true salute to all the soldiers who guard our borders in the harshest conditions. If you are in the mountains and didn't make such friends, please go back and try again. They are the purest company you'll ever have. We are right now at Madhuri Lake. This is actually, the pronunciation is Shungatsar Lake. उससे पहले कि हम लेक जाए, यहाँ पे आर्मी कैंटीन है where we'll be having some food.
सर इधर से चल आ जा इधर. चल इधर.
Do you know where Madhuri Lake got its name from? It's from Madhuri Dixit shooting a song here for the Bollywood film Koila in the late 90s. The lake is considered sacred by the locals. So right now we are at Madhuri Lake or Shungatsar Lake, and it's such a beautiful place. The mountains, the lake, too beautiful. The clouds came down in no time. I sat here quietly for some time, soaking in the beauty of the place. It felt absolutely surreal. So we are now going to the TSO lake. Madhuri Lake is done. But there is a history behind this lake, that this was formed because of earthquake, which is why you will see branches of trees inside the lake. So that has added more to the essence of the lake. By the time we started leaving, the weather had already started to change. And somewhere this weather change feels really, really good. Before heading to the PTSO lake, we visited another monastery, the Taksang Gonpa, which was around 50 kilometers from Tawang. We found another Gonpa which is called the Taksang Gonpa. It's beautiful but it's closed. But पीछे जा रहे हैं क्योंकि कुछ अलग सीनरी है वहाँ का, तो वहाँ से पिक्चर्स लेंगे और शॉट्स लेंगे. The final point of the day, which is the PTSO lake. But वहाँ पे नीचे नहीं जा सकते अभी क्योंकि द वेदर हैज़ गॉटन बैड. सो यहीं से दिखा रहे हैं आप लोगों को. देयर गोज़ द लेक डाउन देयर. वो रहा. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वन बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कांट गो डाउन. That's all for the day. I'm right now heading back to the hotel. और बाकी जो details I had promised I'll give you when I get back to the hotel because my camera is almost dead, batteries, and बाकी details I'll give you at night. So goodbye as of now. I had already said before that one of the most unpredictable things I have ever seen in my life is Arunachal's weather. As the clouds come down, the visibility goes down to zero. And here, with almost zero visibility, we started our way back to Tawang on what I call one of the best days of my life. So finally back to hotel after a long day. Had a really good one. जो डर था कि breathing issues होगा वहाँ पे जाके, nothing. Actually the beauty is such कि आप सब कुछ भूल जाओगे. You will forget everything. And like too good of a day actually. I was waiting for this day for long because Bumla Pass had been on my bucket list for very long. Is anyone even gonna believe it's 6:30 by the clock now? Just look outside. This is the reason Arunachal is known as the land of the rising sun. By the time it was 5, the sun was up. I was in bed. Abhi I got fresh because I'm leaving for a new place today. Last night I got really unwell because of which I couldn't make the detailed video about the Bumla Pass thing which I said I would. So actually क्या होता है? You hire a car from Assam or wherever you are coming from, mostly from Guwahati, to Arunachal. But that car is not allowed to go to Bumla Pass. So what you have to do is, in whichever hotel you are staying, or if you have any acquaintances from before, so you can contact them. And local होना चाहिए वो अरुणाचल का जिसका गाड़ी हो. तो that actually उन लोगों का होता है permit अलग से, who will take you to Bumla Pass. So those kind of drivers only can take you to Bumla Pass. And the minimum costing of a car is somewhere around 5,000 one day. So like my mother and my father, we were 3 people and we had a car from the local Arunachal hotel, like from the hotel we are staying. So that car took us to Bumla Pass, Madhuri Lake, PTSO Lake, and there is another Gompa which is the Taksang Gompa. So 4 places they'll take you to. There might be more, I don't know, but we were taken to 4 places and the costing is 5,000 minimum. हमारा 5,500 लिया है. That's it. So I hope this will be really helpful for you. And also one thing, those cars will be responsible for making the permit. Okay, तो तुम उन लोगों को जाके अपना ILP दे दोगे तो वही जाके परमिट बना के लाएगा. ठीक है, शायद से ILP लेता है पहले से, और वो one day before, like almost 24 hours before, they'll take like some money from you, somewhere around 500 or something, and they'll get the permit done, and later on you can pay them the remaining amount, whatever it is. So you have to show the permit at multiple checkpoints on the way to Bumla Pass, because since it's a border area, the the rules and regulations are very strict. So you have to show your permit 3 times or 4 times there, and unless and until even one person has no permit, he or she will not be allowed. ठीक है, तो उतना स्ट्रिक्ट है यहाँ पे. वो परमिट देखेगा, वो गाड़ी का कांच खोल के सबका मुंह देखेगा. दे ask if there is a children or something. And also don't forget to carry Aadhaar cards whenever you are going there, because that's very 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 important. They'll check your Aadhaar cards, they'll validate you and your face also. So very strict regulations. So that's it. I hope this will help, and do visit Bumla Pass, क्योंकि कल जो मैंने देखा वो कुछ अलग ही experience था. चाइना का भी आर्मी देखा मैंने. Quite a thrilling experience yesterday. Do visit Bumla Pass because it's heavenly actually. Can't be described in words. And around the time of April it's the best क्योंकि बर्फ़ थोड़ा कम होता है, ठंड भी थोड़ा कम होता है compared to what's there in February, March or something. So that's it. आज हम जा रहे हैं नई जगह which I'll be covering in my next episode, which is I'll reveal in my next episode as well. So goodbye and take care. And with a heavy heart, I finally said goodbye to this place. The place which gave me so much to remember, from the century-old monastery to Bumla Pass, Madhuri Lake, and obviously the scenic beauty. Tawang will always hold a very special place in my soul. Until next time.